Pictory is an application to make videos from text. You can make videos without showing your face. I used Pictory for creating short highlight videos from my long-form content in just minutes, which I share on my socials. It's amazing and so simple to use. Pictory's my go-to tool for making videos from text. It saves me a ton of time compared to using traditional video editors. Sign up for your free account today clicking the link below. Enter coupon code Gary 15 inches at checkout for 20% off any plan for life. Before I found Pictory, creating videos took way too long, so I never got round to it. Now I create stunning videos from my scripts in just a few minutes. Try Pictory for free by clicking the link below. https://pictory.ai?ref equals Gary 15. Enter coupon code Gary 15 inches at checkout for 20% off any plan for life. As a video creator, one thing I am always short on is time. I use Pictory because it allows me to create amazing videos from text in just a few minutes and for next to nothing. Pictory has been a game-changer for my video creation journey. I can now create videos from my scripts in just minutes and for just a few dollars a month. Link in bio for more info. Pictory has enabled me to take my video creation to the next level. I use it to create engaging videos from my scripts in just minutes and for just a few dollars a month. Link in bio for more info. Find link in description. Try it and you will come back to thank me after.